Hello, how are you doing? Okay, B.Tech Computer Science frequently asked question. So the typical question goes like this: I'm pursuing B.Tech Computer Science course on the last year. I'm just wondering how to get a job. So let's find out the core steps here. The first step, no, the first, I mean, the last year of your B.Tech, focus really on getting job ready. Okay, the first thing, communication skill. If you are from state syllabus and if you think you need to pick up quality here, join for a spoken English and spoken Hindi class. Okay, these two languages are very predominantly used in IT. Okay, second step, assess your area of strength versus your beta course syllabus. Okay, because you need to take off-campus training online based on the market, and there's a list I just given below. So the top IT areas where high recruitment happens, you must pick up additional online course in the last year of your B.Tech. Okay, based on your area of strength. From what you learn from B.Tech, you know really which are the areas you like the most, where your strength lies. As all these are high in demand, okay, based on your interest, pick up additional online training. And the recruiters really like that you sharpened your um, technical core strength. Okay, so they really appreciate that. So that's not enough. There is another important step here. Just because you are technically strong, you speak well, still you are not done yet. Interview preparation is very important step. So it demands two things from you. One, aptitude test. It's very difficult to pass, so you must practice mock test. Two of them at least per day. Okay, these are puzzles. Next, from interview preparation, you must do GD preparation, GD interview practice, discussion practice. Okay. And finally, when you're done with all this, when you think you are ready to go, you must do off-campus registration with top employers. Send your resume to all recruiters, and also get helps you get you. It also helps to get notification from employers when they do off-campus freshers recruitment drive. Okay, that's it. You're done. You're ready to go. Disclaimer. All the best.